Welcome to EC Add-ons. Let's drive Marquee animated text tutorial step by step. Make sure enable widget from EC panel. Now drag and drop widget.
In Marquee text, we have two direction left to right and right to left. In Style tab, you can manage typography. And also manage color, text shadow and text stroke for normal and hover state. Let's check sample layout using Marquee text widget.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.